Hey guys, how you doing today? How is everything going on today? Well, thank you so much for subscribing to the Buzz UG. Just in case you haven't subscribed, comment, like, and share our stories, to your friends and family. And now I have an audio, and in that audio, Kabaya is revealing a secret. And also is talking about his relationship with Bobi Wine. Yes, but before I get to bring to you that story or that audio, I want to first of all check on our friends down in Dubai, Team Oman, Team Saudi Arabia. You guys, thank you so much for subscribing. We love you so much. Just in case you haven't, please go right ahead and subscribe to the Buzz UG so that we can actually get to move on very, very well together. Now, we all know Kabaya very well. For those of you who do not know much about this guy, I can give you a brief background about him. Kabaya is a ghetto youth, and he's one of the richest ghetto youths in Uganda. Of course, speaking about the richest ghetto youths in Uganda, you cannot forget about Bobi Wine, Mickey Wine, Bebe Cool. Yeah, I know somebody will be like, Bebe Cool has not been in the ghetto before. What are you talking about, you guy? Let me tell you something. Bebe has been in the ghetto. Yes, he has been in the ghetto. Just that, he never spent a lot of time in the ghetto. But trust me, Bebe has been in the ghetto. But also, speaking about Kabaya, he's one of them, one of the richest ghetto youths we have in Uganda. The Chameleons, very many other people. Yes. But Kabaya we are talking about is a landlord. Yes, he has his own house apart from the rentals. He also has taxis on the road. Yes, he owns a number of businesses right here in Kampala as well. Yeah, so he's, I should say he's a rich guy. He has some good money. Yes, and by the way, the Kabaya that we are talking about, if you find him on the road walking, you cannot believe that he has some good money. It's very, very hard to really believe that he has some good money, because you'll start him from the bottom to the top, looking at his shoes, looking at the trousers that he's putting on, look at the shirts. You cannot really believe. And now you come on to the head, you look at the dreads. It is very, very hard to believe that he has some good money. Now, after listening to this story, just search in your YouTube right there the song Casanova by Bobi Wine, and you will see this guy Kabaya. He was also a former member of the Firebase crew that was owned by Bobi Wine. Yes, of course, it is still owned by Bobi Wine. The Firebase crew is still there. There are still people like Zex Biranji, Dax Vibes. All those guys belong to the Firebase crew. Now, you remember recently Kabaya was invited to attend President Museveni's ceremony. That was at Kololo. I think it was a swearing-in ceremony, yes, at Kololo, but he declined to attend. And in his own words, he actually said, I want to read to you what he said. He said, yes, as a ghetto president, I was invited to attend President Museveni's swearing-in, but I sat down and thought wisely, because Bobi Wine turned into more of a brother. We have been together for years, not 3 or 5, but 10 plus. We eat on the same plate. So I couldn't betray my brother. Besides, I can't accept NRM's money when my fellow ghetto youths are suffering in the ghetto after abducted and shot by military during campaigns. It doesn't really make sense. Yes, Kabaya right there making it clear that he cannot work for the NRM, that is President Museveni's government. Now, in an audio that we landed on, Kabaya briefly narrates where and how he met with Bobi Wine. I'm so sure you've heard him talking about Bobi Wine so big time. He has said that they are good friends. They eat on the same plate, so he cannot really betray him. And in that audio, he talked about Butcherman, particularly the food that he recently gave out. We all know that these guys, both of them, call themselves the ghetto president, and we have never heard from Bobi Wine talking about this position. He has never been clear about this position. Who is the ghetto president? Is it Kabaya or butcherman, or Bobi Wine himself is still the president. Yeah, so that is a statement I feel like Bobi Wine still has to come out and make it very, very clear, and come out and make that position very, very clear. But let's listen to Kabaya talking about, you know, his relationship with Bobi Wine, and also a bit about butcherman. And don't forget to comment, like, and share our stories to your friends and family. Thank you. My name is Fuller.
nayenga sente azikola ki naye omukisa gujjolo omuntu yenna bwaguzanyisa tegudde kati nakozesa omukisa gwe nafuna nafuna erinnya ekitegeera mbadde n'omuyimbi asinga okuba ow'amaanyi atulaza abantu ekitegeera tetufuna emikwano ate egirimu kitegeeza ne bwe mba njagala genda ku mukolo gwanjula nsobola okufuna VAT ng'ate sitaddemu yadde 10 olwabo beyandaga nsobola okwewola abantu nga sizze magoba olw'okumanyaabo kati nze emyaka 15 emabega gibadde nga 20 emabega nze mbadde ku street nga tutambula mu Kampala omwo tukuba akagoma ne gita teri atamanyi ewakisekkomo nga tugenda tuyimba batusuulira sente mu kibu n'okwo kwali kunoonya kusavaivinga kubaawo naye nga buli lunaku tufuna emitwalo 7-10 nga tuli abantu 3-4 ekitegeera mu ghetto mbeerayo bakyali bangejje bali ngawaneko byokulya tuseyalinga ate bw'osangayo olwo tutwawula tufaanagana olebyo ekitegeera okupambana okutuuka we tutuuse kwerwanirira ate bwe twerwanirira ate bakiraba bubi bye baali bakola balinze nali nkubajjita mu kyaki nze manyi kubajjita ekitegeera ate nno n'ogwo omulimu obadde okimanyi nebandi twateeka wali sente teri nitudda mu bulamu obulala Bobi Wine ansanga mmanyi okubajjita kyatugatta era n'afuuka nnyo mukwano gwange naye yampitangako ku kkubo nga tukuba ng'alaba abantu batukuŋŋaaniddeko naye nga tukubira nusu 10,000 ezeezi 2022 twali tunoonya mukisa bwe yalaba nga ndabamu ekyo kye yansuubiramu yansembeza ekitegeera era olwaleero kyali wange nnyo kyobola simuvaamu nafuna bingi era nayiga bingi yabadde ayambadde ati ng'agalunaye yabadde muyero yabadde ng'anoonya akalulu yabadde akuba kampeyini eyo emmere erabika eva namubali ye takutte ku ssente nga ye nawulira omwami oyo kino nkyogera lwatu eri abaana ba ghetto era bakimanyi basooka ne bawa omwami oyo miliyoni 5 n'abagamba agenda kugula boda zigulira abaana ba ghetto ne bamuwa miliyoni 5 n'agenda asasula eyo gyasula simanya bayitayo wa teri yadde 10 kyeyakwata naddeyo n'abagamba nyongere sente ne bamwongera miliyoni 3 ku sente ezo teyakwatako yadde n'10 yadde okujja omwana mu ghetto amutwale mu carpentry oba amuteeke mu galagi wonna ayiga okuwayalinga oba okukola wayalingi oba okuyiga okukanika byebimu ku bisinga okunyumya omuŋŋamba emmere obumere taani akawunga kagula 10,000 kilo kitegeeza nange nsobola okugula obuwunga kilo taani namba neŋŋenda nzigaba naye si ensonga enkulu